Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody took one of the vector files that I showed on the free vector files, and they sent me this one and they asked how could they get rid of the boat in the mountains and just have the fish. I'm not 100% sure I'm happy with how I did his mouth, but that can be explained or done differently. So let's just move that out of the way, and this is really pretty easy. Since it's a vector, you can left click and we're going to right click in black. And now we have that outline. So all you have to do is stop the Smart Fill tool from leaking in the places you don't want. So we'll start over here on the mountains, and you don't have to be too precise because we can always change it, but I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from about there to there, there to there. And all I'm doing is closing the leaks so the Smart Fill tool can't get in there. And then there's several ways you could do the mouth. We need to close that gap, so I would use maybe the 3-point curve line and go from there to there. And then to do the boat, just like the mountains, just take a 2-point line and there's actually somebody's already did some of this. Some of these lines are already missing. Then you can maybe delete that little bit of the line you've got there, a little bit of line, but we can always smooth that out. So I think we've got everything. And then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that fish. So we're going to get the fish and the plants, and then just move the Smart Fill out of the way. Left click, no fill, right click, outline. And because we've Smart Filled it, it's joined it all together. So now we could take the smoothing tool, set on something pretty little, click on your item so you get a bounding box, and just kind of smooth out some of these rough areas where we added the lines. It doesn't take very long. Let's look at it right here. You got a little bit of roughness. And you could do this if you don't have X7 or above, you can use, if you don't have the smoothing tool, you can always use the shape tool and just start deleting nodes and do whatever you want to with his mouth and your handles and things like that. And then just take the Smart Fill tool one more time, which you don't probably really have to. And voila, you have taken out the mountains and the boat. And it's a good vector, clean graphic. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.